the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive fate.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're not new, thank you so much Boo for coming back to my channel today. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing, as you can tell from the title, my full face using only Nigerian brands. I have like 3 of these videos or so on my channel already. Like, I'm going to constantly be showing you that you can look bomb AF, you can look pink, like a pink somebody, without breaking the bank. So if you like to see what look we come up with today and some new Nigerian brands I'm loving, please keep on watching. In case you end up enjoying the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up as well. It will help me know that you like this kind of videos, and I would, work towards making more. Without further much talking, if you like to see what look we come up with, please keep on watching. Coming. Why are you so far away? Come. Now that you're up close and personal, to start off this tutorial, I'm going to be using my OMARICODE and Brega's Hydrate. This is a moisture maximizer and it does wonderful things for the skin, trust me. I'm almost done with this tube and I'm just going to use this as a base. So what this does, you can use this as a moisturizer, you can use this as a primer. As a primer, it makes your makeup last for 6 hours with normal skin, and then if you're oily, you can go ahead and set this at this stage with powder, setting powder. I'm just going to go ahead and set that, and I'm going to be using Nuban Beauty's powder. This is in the shade Sahara. The powder is really finely milled and it's dark. It's not like, this is not a shade I used to highlight. This is like my foundation shade. I think we're just going to keep skin in the Nuban Beauty family. So for the foundation I'm using is this one from Nuban Beauty in my skin. It's so soft, from Denic Beauty. This foundation blends out so beautifully, like my current favorite foundation. I love the way the finish, I just love the finish. I think that's what I love the most about it. So for concealer, I'm going to be using this one from Nuban Beauty in my skin. I have a full review of this brand on this products on my YouTube page. I have a detailed foundation routine video in case you would like to see me actually blend out my makeup in slow-mo, my skin makeup, so please check that out. So for setting powder, I'm going to be using this one from Zikel Cosmetics. Oh, has very tiny shimmery particles. Oh, that's beautiful. Can you see that? Please tell me you can see the tiny fleck. Let's hope it does a good job of setting. I'm going to go in gently. That looks really beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. It looks really beautiful actually. To set my face, I'm going to be using this Flawless IV powder. I'll be using this Blush Beauty eyebrow gel in cork. Guys, I'm done doing my brows and I'm done doing one eye. I tried to do one eye off camera to kind of speed things up. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this eye now before like fixing lashes and finishing up the rest of the eye. I'm going to go ahead, I'm using the Bright Nuban Beauty concealer as a base. I just placed it on the palette and I'm taking that with a brush so that it can give me a more even application. I want to make sure that this is blended up properly. Like, I'm using this one from Tease Cosmetics. The shade I'm using from it are this black and this color here, and then I'm going to be using this bright shade here. This color is called Snatched. I'm going to take that and I'm going to just place it. I'm stamping this on before the concealer dries up. You want to make sure you do this before the concealer. Just get the shape you want basically from this first stamping. I'm just taking my time to show you guys. This is not a difficult eye at all. Blending. Now that I've gotten that shape out, I learned this from Makeup by Tiffany J also on YouTube. You just go ahead and take this powder and then set this part so that it helps you blend the transition color very easily. You know, we don't usually set the concealer um or primer before going in with eyeshadow to ensure that wet maximum payoff. And then I'm going into this shade. It's called K by. Gently blend out the top of that brown to sort of give me like a transition color. Use and just make sure everything is, you know, blended out seamlessly. This brush I'm using is from Habitat Joseph, and I'm just going to use that to intensify this brown. I want to be careful as black can easily overpower you. Go back into that K by shade, K by, and I'm just going to blend it out even more. To cut my crease, I'm using this brush from Habitat Joseph. It's actually a flat angle brush. If you have a round brush, please use it. I have mine, but right now it's currently 4 a.m. in the morning, so I don't have the energy to stand up from here to go to where I kept it. That's why I'm using this one. This one I used to define my brows. So please, by all means, try to get a brush that will make it easier for you. I'm done with that, and the next color we're going to be using now is this Taji, and this palette is Teos Cosmetics. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade and just tap. Next up, I'm going into this shade. It's called Chaya. It's like a nudish rose gold matte shade. I'm just going to use that to kind of blend in that burgundy shade I just placed. So I just keep switching between those two colors until I'm satisfied with the blend here. This color I'm going to go into with this Maserati shade here is a nude, whitish nude shade, and I'm using this brush from Nuban Beauty. For packing on eyeshadow onto concealer or on your lip, when you're doing this wet method, especially for matte shadows, you want to make sure you use a brush that is not tight, that won't move the product around. You know, I'm just tapping it now like as gently as I possibly can, you know, and then it's just doing the work for me. If I'd used a tighter eyeshadow brush, you know, it would be moving the concealer around and I'll have like splotchy eye look, if that makes sense. This one from Flawless Ivy, I'm just going to go ahead and take that and just place it on my eye. I'm not going to extend this out. For the glitter, I'm using these two from Uber Chickville and Luster Cosmetics. They're both like rose gold glitters, but just different variations. And then the glue I'll be using is this Enlash glue from Younger Beauty. I'm going to apply that on top of where I'll put the stones and also where I'll put the glitter. If you have troubles with applying stones or applying glitter, I already have in-depth videos for that. Like, I have a separate in-depth video on how to apply stone and a separate one on how to apply glitter, so you could check that out on my channel. For the stones, I'll be using this one I got from Bola Black Beauty store. Lashes, I'm using these ones from Riaco Lashes. They make some bombast lashes over there. And for mascara, this red and black one is from Blood Beauty and this one is from Zaron. So the Blood Beauty one I'm going to use for the lower lash and the Zaron one for the top lash. I'm just going to go ahead and blend in all that powder. You want to blend in this powder, you don't want to dust it off. That is what will give you that like super flawless under eye. Once again, if you've not watched my foundation routine video, you should actually go watch it. It will help you a whole lot because I broke things down there a lot. To go into this Nia makeup spray. It's a Nigerian brand as well, and it has like shimmer in it, and I really like this for setting my face. So for highlighter, let me try out this one from T's Cosmetic. I've never used it before, but let's see. Oh, it's actually really pigmented, guys. The same brand that has the eyeshadow I used. Ooh, child, can you see that? My microphone wasn't recording. I stated that I used this combination of this concealer and this buttercup lipstick from Zaron Cosmetics on my lips, and then for gloss I used this high shine one from Glitter and Glam Cosmetics. So yeah, zoom out now. So guys, that completes the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed me creating this new soft cut crease for you. I feel like this is soft because I didn't use any like colors like my other tutorials. I wanted to do something a lot more softer. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you enjoyed watching me create this look from start to finish. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. Also, I'd like to know if you have any new brands you want me to try out that are Nigerian that you haven't seen me show on my channel. Please let me know down below, and also I'll try to link the other Nigerian videos I've done, Nigerian makeup videos I've done, so that you can check them out as well. Like I've done different looks, colorful looks, and I think I did one soft one as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching up until this point, and if you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Please do it, it will mean so much to me. I'm not just saying it for saying sake. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, we're so close to 10k and I'm sure we could make it soon, so please do subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm going to see you lovelies in my next video. Bye. Mwah.